Okay, what we're going to do this week or today is a little look at Swiftkey with emojis and all that kind of stuff. Emojis I don't really use, but I noticed in one of the things I was reading today that it was out and it's free now. So what I did was I downloaded it and I watched a couple videos, even though the videos are all kind of dated. But the cool thing about it is, I'm kind of slow to switch, and I've been using the Google keyboard basically since it came out. But the neat thing with the Swiftkey thing, and it's going to get kind of bouncy because I'm looking here and doing there and stuff like that, is first of all, you get a choice of all sorts of keyboard themes or layouts, and like this one where it's got, it shows A, and then you've got an @ sign. Over the S, you've got a pound sign and things like that. And I'm up here in, in a notepad. So there you go, and it presses that. The other thing it does, let me see here, is you can swipe. So like if you want to go, whoops, let's back up one, THIS, and then it gives you, either you use this or it gives you alternatives, which is kind of cool. Or you can just, HISTO, and then, it pops up, it predicts pretty well. So I've only been playing with this for a day or two. The other thing it has, for those of you that use emojis and stuff like that, it's got, where is it here? It's that thing over there, and you press it, and you get all sorts of these things, and you can switch from one doodah, smiley face things, or the crown, whatever that means, and all those kind of things, and you can do all sorts of stuff. Or you can go back to the keyboard, ABC. The other nice thing this keyboard that I've got does is if you press the numbers, instead of going across the top, it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, like a telephone keypad, which is kind of cool. Plus it presses other stuff. So I'm so far so good. I'm kind of impressed, and I'm glad I broke down and decided to try something different. And since I don't type, I don't know how to type. I type, hunt peck, and sometimes I, really get going in the advanced hunt peck. But unlike some people I know, I can't really burn up a keyboard. So this one so far is so good, and in a month or so, if it keeps working and I learn new stuff, this is one of the things with YouTube. You got to watch how old the information or the videos are, because a lot of times, if I don't check, I find myself watching something that's out of date, and that's a big problem. But anyhow, this is sort of look at something, and since it's free, you can buy it for your friends or buy it for yourself, and it's not a big problem. And it is one of those apps that right now I'm finding somewhat useful, and I hope if anybody's interested, give it a shot. It's I think certainly worth it. And as Christmas is coming up, and I think this is the last From Tom's Desk or Google and the Geezer before Christmas or whatever holiday you're celebrating, y'all take care and have a good holiday, and talk to you just before the new year. Bye.